Good evening, everyone. It is October the 30th, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the day candles that I saw. I just sent something out with the weekly candles. We're going to use those same trend lines and have a look. We have two trend lines that are bouncing right here, where I've got this rectangle. And if you'd seen the last video, you'll know that that rectangle is part of a trend line that goes all the way back to March. So we may indeed be chattering around this area. That's my thought. My guess is that we've got some resolution to take care of here. That is for definitely sure. I just don't see us going through the floorboards. But you know what? I don't command a crystal ball, so we just trade what we see, not what we think. So what I'd like to do is show you a little bit about how we've been resolving to the downside right here with these moving averages all bending downward this way. And now we've got our MACD bending over and getting perilously close to the zero line where it hasn't been in quite some time. So there are a lot of things for us to be cautious about. But again, here's my thought, and I say this all the time. Violent candles retrace. Now, here we had what I would consider a violent candle, but the very next day, the very next day, it certainly did not retrace. However, it only took 2-3 days for it to move completely back above the range. And that's what I have a tendency to see with candles that move in giant spaces. They get retraced according to Fibonacci levels. And if they retrace all the way, then what we've got is indecision and a lot of buyers and sellers waging a little war. So that's what we might have here. And so what I'd like to say is next week, again, use caution. My sizes are very small right now simply because, I've got no, I've got no conviction in where we're going to go next. So hope that helps you a little bit. Me telling you there's no conviction and I don't know what to do. Yeah. What I do see is this 1030 level that we bounced around, 1029. This one goes all the way back to August, where we had a big chattering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days virtually in the same area. So we might end up doing something like that here until, we decide where it is that we're all going to go. All right, happy trading, everyone, and as always, look for the videos because they will be coming. See me on the StockTwits network as well as AnnMarieTrades.com, and I look forward to getting some feedback and getting you guys some more videos.